Your pants did tight, so I thought you were gay. Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's World. I'm Howard. You guys wasted no time in commenting under my last video, so I wasted no time in giving you another upload. So today we have no guests, but we'll be doing the assumptions about me challenge, or how that go? We're doing a video based on your assumptions about me, isn't me? So on my Instagram, I did ask you guys to give me some assumptions about me, whether it be stuff you thought back then or things you currently think, and I got some interesting assumptions. So we're gonna get into that video. Also, if you want to participate in videos like this, just follow my IG. The link is in the description, isn't me? So let's go right into the video. Boom. First assumption: you're very extroverted and never get tired of people. That's I don't know. I mean, I am really extroverted, but I do get tired of people, honestly. Even family members, my friends, I do get tired of people. So I mean, that's a wrong assumption on the last part, but I am extroverted. Thought you was gruff but talented. So this was from one of my trainee friends. I did ask him what gruff means, and basically gruff are one of them, you know, the man them body at the back of the party just nah smile, nah dance. Thought I was gruff. Nah, definitely not gruff. Talented, I think I am. Next assumption: your attitude stink off. Your attitude stink off. I feel like you were attacking me, and this wasn't an assumption. I feel like you just didn't want to tell me for a long time, so my attitude stink. But I disagree. That's false. My attitude does stink. You're rude. You don't seem to be fond of many people, and sometimes you're not afraid to show that. I mean, alright, let me explain. It's a thing where if I don't know you, I'm not going to be like up in you like that. So it's not like, oh, I'm not fond of you, but it's like when they're on the level there, I don't know you like that. So the not afraid to show it part is, for example, if somebody I deal with me a certain way, I would have on the level there, I'd say, yo, you know, we're not afraid like that, like ease out, wall out youth. We're not dead there, so you see? Next assumption: you're genuine. You see why I'm genuine? That assumption is correct. I think I'm genuine as well. You're easily irritated. Damn. That one I just choked me. I really am easily irritated, honestly. If you're my friend, you know the vibe. You know the vibe. I am easily irritated, and that's on me being an old man inside. Hype. Oh, so this person said, hype. Watch how much of this you're gonna get. Really and truly, you're the only person that said I was hype. I don't think I'm hype. If you think I'm hype, maybe it's just on, I mean, how you look on stuff. But I don't think I'm hype. I disagree with that one. I don't know how to say it, but I don't think I'm hype. I'm not hype. You're super chill and you're a great friend to have. You're super chill and you're a great friend to have. The reason I took so long to read that, by the way, is because there were lots of grammatical errors. I had to make out what the person was saying. Don't attack me. I can read. You're super chill and is great friend to have. And I'm not attacking you, person, but as you all can see on the screen right now, there are some grammatical errors in this sentence. I think I'm super chill as well, and I think I'm a great friend to have. So correct assumption. Next, you have your life put together and sorted out. Nah lie, I don't know what I did for you to assume this, but this is false. This is false. Not even like, oh, kinda. No, like, no, I don't. I really don't. But now my life put together. I just do a thing right now. You see me? I don't think this will stay the part though. You know, but just do a thing right now. And is that I mean, me on a path, me know what I want, but it's like I don't have everything figured out. You get me? It's like, me know some want something, me I go for something. But it's like, put together and sorted out, nah, that's false. You're stuck up and privileged. Alright. The latter part is true. I am privileged. Not even gonna lie. I have a lot of privileges. I can't be ungrateful and say, oh, I'm not privileged. I do have a lot of privileges, but I'm not stuck up. I feel like I'm far from being stuck up. What do you call stuck up? What do you call stuck up? Give me one definition of stuck up. Like in Philly terms, Jamaican terms, or what do you call stuck up? Because I don't think I'm stuck up. If you feel like I'm stuck up, tell me below. Like, let me know. Say, yo, you're stuck up, dog. But if you know, like, yo guys, follow me on IG. You'll get to know a lot more about me, you see me? I'm not stuck up. False. Next. You've always been comfortable in your own skin. Child, girl, man, I remember who said in this, but no. This is false. This is a false assumption. I far me I come from. As raised the confidence level, far me I come from. I wasn't always like this, but because of the change, a lot of changes as it relates to the space I'm in and the people I'm around, I grew past a lot of my insecurities. I mean, everybody has some insecurity, but I don't feel like I have a lot right now because I grew. And guys, let me tell you, take time for yourself to understand the areas you need to grow. You see me? Like, when I'm always comfortable, right now, pretty comfortable, you see me? But I wasn't always like this. Next assumption, somebody said, 1, he should be cool. 2, irritating jerk. 3, it's his personality. So I'm gonna try to decipher this real quick. So, he's pretty cool. I think I'm pretty cool as well, depending on or you look or your view cool, but I think I'm pretty cool. 2, irritating jerk. That's an attack. Irritating jerk. I mean, I am a jerk when I'm irritated. You get me? So like if I'm an irritating jerk, it's because I was irritated why I'm a jerk. So I don't think we just get up and I'm just an irritating jerk like that. I'm probably irritating to you because of, you know, clashing personalities or whatever. But no, I think that when it falls, it's like, when it falls, it's like, no. It's his personality, yeah. Honestly, the me you see is the me you get. Because if me disgusting abroad, me disgusting a yard. I didn't pick the way. At school, I'm just the same kid I am at home. You see me? Because if a teacher call mother and say, oh, he did this, my mother not gonna show. Because like, I'm that kid. I'll do that. You're judgmental. Honestly, no, I'm not judgmental at all because I feel like I have a lot to be judged for, or a lot that people would judge me for. And not even just that. I just feel like, yo, people just do what they want to do and live their life, and bruh, who for judge you? I'm no one to judge you. I'm not judgmental at all. Next assumption, he's an onion, it's fine. So I'm assuming here that onion means, yo, I have a lot of layers. And if that's what you're saying, that's true. That's a correct assumption. That's true. That's true. You seem like a harsh person, someone who talks their mind about everything and mean what you say. Honestly, I can be harsh. Not gonna lie, because I don't really sugarcoat a lot of things. You know, for example, I'm the friend. Like if your mouth stink, I'm not gonna say, you brush your teeth this morning. I say, yo dog, your mouth kick this morning, bro. Damn! But it's like, I am harsh, not gonna lie. Someone who talks their mind about everything and mean what you say. Yeah, because when I want mouth, I go and talk. If you feel something, say something, you know? And sometimes I will just be blunt and unapologetic about what you feel. Next assumption, that you're easy to get along with. Would love to get to know you, by the way. Not even gonna cap, not even gonna lie. I am not easy to get along with. If you're a friend, if you want to friend him, you know. Like, I'm not easy to get along with. Me and my friend them clash. Like, we go head to head enough. Like, we kick off regular. I mean like, but like, I guess friendships need like conflict sometimes, you see me? But the reason it's not toxic is because we communicate with each other, like we apologize where we need to, or we explain, we talk things out. But no, I'm not easy to get along with. Would love to get to know you. No, you would not. Next. Thought you were cooler than me, super creative. Nah, I'm not cooler than you. I mean, pretty, you know, cool. If I do say so myself. Pretty cool right now. You know, you have the ups and downs. But I'm pretty cool. I agree. Correct assumption. Super creative. I don't think I'm super creative, but I think I am creative. I feel like I need, like, it's just a personal thing. I feel like I need to get a lot more exposure to like be at my highest as it relates to creativity and all. But I feel like I touch my creativity level. I mean, I am creative, not gonna lie, but I feel like I want a lot more exposure and just, you know, opportunities, and just want to live a little more, you see me? I don't feel like I did it. When I first saw you, your pants did tight, so I thought you were gay. Don't fight me. Your pants did tight, so I assumed you were gay. Honestly, with this one, it's like I don't know what to say to this, because I feel like personally, I don't want to dwell on it, but like personally, I feel like he who knows better does better, or should do better. So I'm assuming it's either you know better, or like you refuse to do better. But one, I'm not gay, but two, it's like don't make like with tight pants and don't make you assume something gay. I feel like that's ridiculous. I mean, big up to you, thanks for participating. Love the fact that you participated, honestly. And guys, like, don't forget, like, I hear truth, you get me? Can't attack you, I hear truth. But I'm just saying, like, for future references, don't make something like this, something silly like this, make you try to justify somebody's, or not justify, try to point out somebody's sexuality based on the fact that they have on a tight pants. Because I feel like that's, you know, that kind of fool. You know, that kind of foolish. Now I don't want this though. Next assumption. You see people and just hate them. Ah no. Me just wait. There is some truth in this. You see people and just hate them. Alright, no. Hate is a strong word, isn't it? But you ever see some people and it's like your spirit just not take them, it's like something about you with energy no connect like that. I'll see people and immediately I'm like, you know, I don't really like you like that. Like I don't really rate you. But it's not like I don't hate you. Isn't it? But yeah, me see people I don't like them, of course. You have hoes. I don't. Like, I don't. Yo, if you think I have hoes, leave it in the comment section, please. I want to know how much I want to know. I want to feel like say Howard from Howard's World of Hoes. I don't. By the way, guys, if you've made it this far into this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, you know, let's get it out there. As I always say, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend's friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. So yeah, like, me not picky. Like the video. Like the video. Please. Next assumption. Your whole grudges. Yeah? You molly so. Yo, no, not. Alright, your whole grudges. Alright, some situations are hard to move on from. I don't really hold up people in my heart like that, but there are certain things like, I forget. Isn't it? You're fake. No. Wrong assumption. You're wild and like to explore. I don't know about the wild part, but I do like to explore, so half and half. I get a 50-50 with that assumption. You can't cook to save your life. Me and Jimmy. I can cook to save my life. I mean, I can't cook for like, you know, chef it up, restaurant, blah, blah, blah. No, but I can cook to save my life. You love social media. I'd say I like social media and I appreciate social media, but I mean, Love, I don't know, because I can do it on social media. Something about me knows? Okay. No. You're cocky and don't know how to talk to people. I mean, I do know how to talk to people, but that don't mean to always talk to people like proper. But I do know how to, you know, boy, it's good at them something. I do know how to, because like, yo, check me for a job interview. You see me? Boy, proper. Next assumption. You don't let what people say bother you. Well, you don't show it. I mean, yeah. I mean, sometimes, you know, somebody will say, we trigger me. But not all the time I show it, you see me? Because I'm not the type to post on and rant on the internet. Like, I'm not that guy. But stuff get to me. Not even gonna lie, stuff get to me. Next assumption, you're spoiled. Correct assumption. Moving on. I'm not even gonna dwell on that one. I am spoiled. Correct. You're correct. Correct. You get approached by many girls. Many is a stretch though, dog. I mean, I do get approached by girls. You see me? It's not like, oh, I get approached by many girls. Many is a stretch, but I do get approached by girls. You see me? But many is a stretch. You do too much. You do too much right now with many. You like interacting with new people. I don't know if I answer this. I mean, I really do like socializing. You see me? I love socializing. But I don't know if like the new people, I don't know. Yo, if you know me, comment down below and help me figure out the one, because I really don't. I can't say if this accusation is like true or false. Comment down below and let me know if I do like interacting with new people. You're misogynistic. Damn, that's not even an accusation. That's an attack. You're misogynistic. Damn, that's heavy. Damn, the choice of words though. You're misogynistic? No, that's all the way wrong. I used to think you were a hoe. Well, once upon a time, not long ago, I was a hoe. And I'm admitting it. Next assumption. I think you don't know how to be nice to people. I do know. Doesn't mean I'm always nice to people, but I do know. Oh. That's the end of it. How much you gonna do? Go to 33. Damn. Lock down my laptop. Guys, thank you so much for participating. You know the vibe. You know the vibe. You know the vibe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Please, guys, subscribe. And if you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can just know every time Howard's World upload. You see me? Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend's friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. Please. I appreciate the support so far, guys. Let's, you know, continue to grow this community. Big up on yourself. Me gone.